Hi, everyone. I'm reaching out to the yoga teachers and yoga therapists out there who are seeking to understand how to teach pranayama in a way that is safe, practical, and scientifically supported. Breathing is such a central theme for us in these times of long COVID, the implications of wildfires on air quality, and even the effect of mold from rampant flooding and storm surges. All of these impact the respiratory system, and the respiratory system impacts every aspect of health and well being, including the mind, the heart, and our immune system. Yoga teachers are expected to understand how to work with the breath, yet, few of us are equipped with enough information and training to apply pranayama techniques appropriately with confidence. If you are a serious learner and seeker and want to cultivate a deep understanding of the breath in order to teach others well, the Restore Your Prana certification training is for you. We begin our new cohort in October and are accepting applications now. Check out essentialyogatherapy.com to register, join Team Breathe, and be a part of the Restore Your Prana Breath Revolution.